Hello everyone, this is video number 25 of database management distance subject question and answer video series. Let's go to the question 25. Find the average obtained in the first term mathematics subject. This is the first one. You can write the query here. You have to select mark should be average mark PG from student exam mark record table, then merge into subject on student exam mark record table, subject title should be equal to subject table, subject title. Again, join exam term on student exam record tables, exam term ID should be equal to exam term tables term ID. Then the condition where the subject name should be equal to mathematics, and the next condition is the term name. Term name should be equal to first term. Then the semicolon. Now we can execute the code and get the output like this. The average mark is 71.845. The second requirement we are telling find the average obtained in second term single subject. Same as this. Here the subject should be single language and literature. Then the term should be, they have mentioned the second term. Exam term should be second term. Now we can execute the code here. Here's the output. The average mark for single language the second term is 87.8875. Then let's go to third requirement. Third one, they are telling find the average mark of the mark obtained by Sajitra Vikram Singh student in all subjects in the examination held on 2017. This one. Now we can select the mark should be average, so that I'm using the AVG keyword from student exam mark record, then inner join to student, then on the student exam mark record tables, student index number should be equal here. Student tables index number, then inner join it again to exam term table on student exam mark record table exam term ID should be equal to exam term tables term ID. Okay, now finally the condition is here where first name should be Sachitra. Yes, Sachitra. The next condition is the and the last name should be equal to Vikrama Singh. Again another condition, and the exam date should be equal to 2020 07 110. Then the semicolon is here. Now we can execute the code and get the output. Here's my average mark of the student 63.09. Okay, now the last requirement that asking arrange the marks obtained by all the students of class 11 in the first term in ascending order. We have used the order by keyword to get the ascending order here. Okay, let's call it select. This is mark, select the mark from student exam mark record table. Inner join it to student table on student exam mark record table student index number should be equal to student tables index number. Okay, then again inner join it to class table on student exam mark record table, a class table on student table class ID should be equal to class tables class ID. Then again inner join it exam term table on student exam mark record table exam term ID should be equal to exam term tables term ID. Here finally here's the condition where the class name should the level name should be equal to 11A and term name should equal to first term. Term name should be equal to first term. Then they are different ascending order. For that we have to use order by keyword, order by remark to ASC assembly, then the semicolon. Now we can execute the code and get the outputs here. Here you can see relevant outputs according to the ascending order. Okay, all requirements are done. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.